what she saw, that she went back to her hotel room and she actually wrote a poem about it. That poem was later set to music, a tune called Materna, and the song actually became a runner-up to our national anthem. You guys may have heard of it. It's called America the Beautiful. Well, we like to think that this spot coming up right here is what inspired Miss Bates to write America the Beautiful. So we call this Inspiration Point. Now, we may not be making it all the way to the summit today, but you guys are getting some beautiful views. You're also welcome to stand in your seats if you want to get a better picture, but please stay out of that center aisle. If you just crossed the center aisle, I need you to go back, please. Thank you. Go back, both of you. Thank you. No crossing the center aisle.
Oh, look at that, Belly. Down there.
And looking out the three-state side, Lake Moraine is beginning to come into view. That's the one and only natural lake on the mountain that I mentioned earlier. It was formed by a glacier after the last ice age. And if you notice that road running along the top of it, that's part of that 60-mile Caretaker's Drive that we passed earlier. And don't worry, if you're on the two-seat side and you can't see Lake Moraine very well, we are going to get a much better view of it once we get up above tree line in just a moment. Lake Moraine is about 46 feet deep. It does have fish in it. It's got cutthroat trout and rainbow trout, but it has not been stocked in over 100 years.
Let me help you. Help me. Yes. What's going on? Look at those mountains, and there is a lake, white lake, and then they have a piece inside ice on top. There's ice on top, and there is a piece inside. Everybody push, push, push. Look at that.
All right, guys, just a moment. That was a little bit of a taste of how quick this train can stop, but it can stop much faster than that. So that's why it's very important that there's nobody standing in the center aisle when we're moving. We'll get going in just a moment, folks.
Take Mama's picture.
I think take some beautiful picture today.
Oh, this is victory.